What is check bounce? When a check is returned by the bank due to insufficient funds or other reasons, it is referred to as a bounced or dishonored check. When this occurs, the bank issues a check return memo explaining why the payment could not be processed. What to do in case of a check bounce? In case of a bounced check, it's crucial to consult with a lawyer whether you wrote or received the check. They can guide you on the best steps to protect your interests, considering the potential civil and criminal consequences. What is the procedure involved in a check bounce case? Number 1. Demand notice. In case of a bounce check, your first move is to send a legal notice called a demand notice to the person who wrote the check. It's crucial to send the demand notice within 30 days of receiving the check return memo. Number 2. Filing of check bounce complaint. Sure of the check who wrote the bounce check doesn't pay within 15 days after receiving the legal notice of demand. Then you can file a complaint case under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act. Number 3. Court summons to accused. After the pay files the complaint about the bounce check, the court summons the issuer of the check to appear in the court during the pendency of the case. The court may direct the issuer of the check to pay 20% of the check amount. The drawer of the check. Number 5. Presumption is against the issuer of the check. In a check bounce case, the presumption is against the issuer of the check that he had some liability against which he has issued the check. Number 6. Evidence. In a check bounce case, evidence is crucial. The complainant needs to present documents like the check return memo, demand notice, postal receipt, acknowledgement card, and other documents supporting his case in court. Number 7. Court's decision. Once both parties share their evidence, their lawyers make final arguments. The last stage, before the court's decision. If the issuer of the check is found guilty, he or she could be fined twice the check amount and might face up to 2 years in jail. Understanding the procedure and taking the right steps is crucial in a check bounce case. Consult with a legal professional to navigate through the complexities and protect your interest.